How to make an Enzoni cocktail.
G'day there drinking buddies, Scotty Boxer here for DrinkLab.org, your home to those thousands of favourite cocktail recipes. This here is the Enzoni, yes, the Enzoni, and it's not very often you get to use grapes in a cocktail, so this is how to make it.
For this you'll need 1 ounce of gin, 1 ounce of Campari, 3/4 ounce of lemon juice, half an ounce of simple syrup, and about 5 grapes. In a cocktail shaker, muddle your grapes until they're squished. Add in your gin, Campari, lemon juice, and sugar syrup. Top with ice, and give that a shake until cool. Strain into your cocktail glass and garnish with some extra grapes.
And there you have it, the Enzoni. It's a bittersweet type cocktail with Campari, and if you want more cocktail recipes that are quick, sharp and straight to the point, just like this one, then subscribe to our YouTube channel, head over to our website DrinkLab.org, and I will see you next time. Go out and enjoy yourself, don't destroy yourself. Cheers.